And welcome back. Yes. So are you ready now for the next session? Great. Okay. Can you see this picture, children? What are you seeing now? Winnie the Pooh with this blue scarf. And the next is snowman. What is Winnie is having in his hand? Yes? Small kangaroo, the small rabbit size? Yes? Okay. And you can see some trees. Yes or no? Yes? Perfect. And something is there on the tree also, right? Snowman with a long beak. You can see everything. Correct na children? Yes na? Okay. Now please tell me who is standing in between? Who is standing in between? Winnie the Pooh. Very good. Now and then who is standing in the middle? Who is standing in the middle? Yes, that is also Winnie the Pooh. Correct. Who is standing in the side? It's Snowman. Very good. So, children, today we are going to learn this only. Side, center, in between. See, side means on that particular extent which is on the extreme side, the extreme to this side or that side, this is called side. Center, which is the midpoint, it is called center. What is it? Midpoint. The middle point is center. In between. You remember the between numbers? Yes, this side, that side, and the gap in between is between. Understood? Yes? Okay. Now children, I show you some examples. Here you can see 3 children like you. Correct? Yes. See here. Who is in the middle? Who is in the middle? Yes. Can you share who is in the middle? Yes. This green one is in the middle. Correct. Who are there in the sides? The pink one and the blue one. So they are in the sides. Who is in the middle? Yes, between. Who is in between? The green, the boy who is wearing green t-shirt or green shirt is in middle. Understood? Okay. See, I'll show you the next example. See here, children. There are so many in this picture. Wow, nice. Yes. Can you see what is center point here? Yes. What is center? Which is yes. See here. This point is called center. What is that? See, I have marked it. That is called center point. What is that? Center point. One more time. What is that? Center point. Okay. Those sides are filled. The clock, the board, eraser, bag, protector, ball, everything, painting brush, everything says na scissors. These are all on the sides. Those are all on the sides. And what is center point? Which I have pointed. This is center. What is that? Center. Okay. Okay. Now see here in this picture. What is this? Okay, some decorative. Okay, right, no problem. In this, the blue one is what? In between. Perfect. The blue one is in between. Correct. What is that blue one? In between the 2 sides. Got it? Yes? Okay. Now, see the next example. What is this? See, I can show you this way. Correct? Now you can see me. Am I on the sides? Am I in the middle? Yes, I am in center. Yes, I am in the center point, the midpoint. I am in center. Understood? Where can you see the teacher now? Center. This is called center. Okay? Fine? Understood, children? Okay, that's fine. I'll show you one more. Wow, lovely. What is this? The lotus showing side. Got it? Lotus is on the side. Good. Now you can see 3 ice creams here. Correct? Okay. The one with the cherry, the vanilla base. What is that? That is on side. And the scoop, that is side. Which is in between? Which is in between? Yes, this one is in between. Understood? And those two are on the sides. Yes? Understood, children? Perfect. Now I'll show you with the help of our maths workbook. Fine, you will understand more easily now. Okay, see here 3 things, children. Now keep your hand like this. Yes, this is, what finger is this? Yes, ring finger. Okay, now open other 2 fingers also. 5 fingers. Yes, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers. Yes, na? What finger is this one? Middle finger. What is this? Middle. Yes, this is middle finger. Understood? Yes. And in your hand itself, yes, what is this point? Midpoint. What is this? Midpoint. In between. Correct? Yes, na? So this and this joint, na? See here. This point and this point, this joint. This is in between. This line is in between, which connects both, which tells about both, is called in between. Understood na, children? Perfect? Fine. Okay. Now please take your maths workbook. Yes, very good. Now take page number 108. 108. Now you all will like this, you see. I'll tell you. Just write today's just date CW. Yes? Done? Very good. All taken now? 108. 108. Page number. And CW. Today's date. Perfect. Done? Good, children. Now, see here. See, keep your finger over here. Yes. And go. Open and this. Open. Close. Open. Close. Where you're keeping your hand? Where your finger? It is in the. Where you're keeping it? Sides. Yes. On the book side now. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now, read the heading. Side, center and between. Okay? One more time. Side, center, between. Understood? Okay. Now, children, first read the heading. Paste the sticker of a cat on the dot at the side of the box. What is that? They have given a box, correct? And first there is a dot. Which side? Side or middle or between? Side. Yes, the first thing that is in side. Correct. Okay. Now the same way, keep your finger here, side. Yes. Close. Open. Take the last page, the sticker page. You all like that na? Yes. Take that sticker page. Can you see the cat picture here? Can you see the cat picture? This thing. Yes. It's there or not? The cat. The cat picture, the cat sticker. Can you see? We have so many stickers here. In that, have you have this cat sticker with you there? Yes, in the sticker page. Yes, children. See the last but before page, before line, you will be having the cat sticker. Can you take that? Yes. Take that cat sticker and paste it on the dot. Where the dot is? There. See, I have pasted. Done? On the dot. Because they told to on the paste on the side, na? Where is the dot? The dot is on the side. So you have to paste that cat sticker on the dot. I have done. All done? Yes. Now come to the next line. What is there in the second? Paste the sticker of a cat on the dot in the center of the box. You remember once when I was teaching, now I showed you teacher is teaching in the center point, correct? That center. Now take one more cat sticker and paste it over here. Yes, on the center. Done? Yes or no? Yes, perfect. And what is there in the last? Paste the sticker of a cat and what? On the dot in between the two boxes. See, now take the cat sticker. 3 stickers are there now. One finished side, second middle, done na, center, and third one. Take it. Yes, and see here, paste it on the dot here. Done? Neatly. This is called what? In between. See, there are 2 boxes. So, the last one, in between. What is that? Between. Between means something is there on the side. So, that is called between. Okay? Understood? Yes, children. It is easy now today. Maths was easy today, and please understand the concepts. Okay, children? Okay. See you soon in the next session. Bye bye, children.